It is 7:22 in the morning. We are on the way to Wookies in the woods. 5 hour and 14-minute drive. Some traffic very early this morning. Still trying to wake up. I'm pretty tired. Hair's still wet. Doesn't matter. I'm excited for a fun drive. We're going straight to Robbinsville where we're meeting up with the glizzy godfather himself, Mark 7 John. Here's to the next 5 hours behind the wheel of the GTI. This is probably my longest drive with the GTI yet. Gatlinburg was the longest, but I think this will be just a hair longer. And I'm going solo dolo this morning, so sometimes it's a little fun to do a convoy. Kind of wish I had some of the boys with me, but that's okay. As soon as we get to Robbinsville, it's gonna be straight mayhem, I'm sure, from that point until we leave. Here's to the next 5.5 hours behind the wheel. Nice. I just passed 4 sheriffs all sitting in one little patch of grass on the side of the highway. What the hell is going on? We're like Yadkin, I think? Bro, I've never seen that many cops posted up trying to get people tickets. That was like a fucking movie scene. I'm doing a speed limit. We are making our first stop of the day. We are at Whole Donuts. I don't know what to expect, but I'm gonna go get some donuts. This might be the coolest donut place I've ever been. They're making the donuts right there. It's like a small little place. This is so cool. I got half a dozen. I'm bringing that boy Mark 7 John a couple of donuts. Holy fresh donut. First of all, I gotta check the front. I hit something on the road. Oh, dude. CJM Industries lit. Never doubt it. Look at these freaking donuts. Oh my God. What? That is the freshest donut. They gave me an extra donut? That's 7 donuts? Anyways, let's eat a donut. Oh my God. Oh my freaking God. Now that was absolutely incredible. Ooh, a little pop. Sorry, Asheville. We gotta get some gas, and then I gotta use the bathroom. So we gotta make another pit stop, and then we are back on the road. What a cool little spot, man. Asheville is so awesome. I've always loved Asheville. Look at these buildings. Okay. Just had a mini panic attack. Thought I left my camera at the gas station, but I didn't. It was in my back seat. Don't ask me how we got back there, but it was. Anyways, we are back on the road. We got an hour and a half left. Arrival time of 1:08. I mean, just look at the scenery now on this highway. This is just gorgeous, man. Oh my God. Y'all know better than to give me a tunnel. I'm gonna act a fool. That was a cool tunnel. Mark 7 John. Oh my goodness. That thing looks clean, dude. Oh my goodness.
Bro, this is the collab right here.
We both have the same camera set up.
It's crazy.
This is collaboration of a generation. That sounds so stupid.
This is what the people on TikTok were asking for.
Yes, we made it happen.
About to go to the Milltek meet, so that's pretty cool. Milltek?
You heard what he said. Milltek meet is coming up.
Yep.
I'm uploading a YouTube video, doing some last minute things, and we're gone. Chasing Mark 7 John to the tail of the dragon. From the tail of the dragon, we should be heading to Milltek. They're doing their meet until 6 p.m. Hopefully meet everybody there for the first time. Yeah, excited, very excited. All right, hopefully that's good. You can see me in the reflection. I look dumb as shit. Let's roll, brother. We are chasing Mark 7 John in the big turbo GLI to the tail of the dragon. Oh, I'm so lit. the coolest shit I've ever done.
It's a lot of fun.
My car is just popping and banging. All right, so we just got to the tail of the Dragon. Got some stickers. This has to go on the car ASAP, as soon as possible. This is pretty rad.
Yeah.
This is pretty rad. Oh, I'm not in water mode anymore. That's cool. Bought the stickers. About to get the camera set up. We're going on the tail. It's time. It's time. About to get the headshot POV. Hopefully everything comes out good. But you know, it's day one, so we're gonna learn from our mistakes if it looks stupid. I look like a dipshit, I just know it. Oh, I just know it.
Sharp curves ahead.
All my shit just went flying. I wish I had less stuff in the car. Oh, fuck. Okay. All my shit went flying everywhere. Dude, literally, we made that hard turn following that Golf R. Book bag dumped everything in my fucking seat.
Hell no. My Red Bull spilled everywhere, not gonna lie.
Oh, no.
Pretty bad.
Damn. Lost the hat. Bro, my hat just flew off my head.
Did I brake a little too hard?
No, you're good, you're good.
Okay.
Oh, shit. That was awesome. Just did the run for the first time and kind of speechless. The adrenaline is pumping. The adrenaline is pumping. We got the cars here. Wow, what a road. What a road. It's so beautiful down here too. Jeez. Look how nice it is. It's hot though. It's hot as balls. That might be one of the coolest things I've ever done in my entire life. The GTI did pretty good for the first time. And that Mustang was wrapped like Batman. Porsche.
portion.
I need a Porsche. I need a Porsche. Oh, that PDK sounds so good. He's still going. Dude, that's the type of car where like you're going up the tail and it's just like echoing all up the tail. And you're going to sit right here and you're going to hear him like the whole time.
Dude, that sounds insane.
Oh, header. He said what? It was headers and then just regular muffler?
And mid-pipe.
Mid-pipe?
Headers and mid-pipe.
Damn, brother. In a very random set of events, we got 2 little bolts for my Milltek downpipe, and we're pulling it in the Milltek shop. All right, kind of fanboying here a little bit. The GTI is going on the lift. We're getting this shit plugged up. I went from being the #1 Milltek glazer to now the car is on the lift at Milltek.
Okay, cool.
What the?
I need an exhaust on tomorrow, really.
We do. We got to get John Milltek exhaust for sure. What is going on, man? What is going on? We're at Milltek on the lift. Crazy.
Pretty cool.
This is pretty freaking cool. These are the 2 little bungs that we've been needing to replace, and that's what we're replacing right now. Let's go. I have not been the best about recording since we left Milltek. Essentially, we went to Texas Roadhouse, got a steak, then went to the store. I got 145 miles, so I'm okay, but I'm also cool with stopping real quick. This is so cool. We got the whole lineup right here, every pump. All right, so we're leaving Alcoa, heading back to Fontana, and it's starting to rain, so we're trying to outrun the storm so we don't get caught on it on the tail. Yeah, we got the GTI, we got the Glizzy, we got the other Mark 8 GTI, and in the very front,
We're trying to get back home.
Mark 7 John. We got Mark 7 John, and we got the R32. Oh my goodness! You know the Wookies gotta be in the woods yelling. Where did Michael go? We're not trying to get caught in the rain. Oh, I'm already good. Yes, the rain's coming. We gotta get the fuck out of here. We're gonna be getting to the Airbnb when it's dark. And the problem is the directions to this Airbnb are very tough. It's not like a dirt road. They give us some weird directions. It's like a little cabin. So we got like an hour-and-a-half drive back to the B&B. This is gonna be interesting to say the least. Hopefully we can outrun the storm and get to the tail before then. But it's Wookies. We gotta have a little something. We gotta have a little excitement. You know what I mean? Oh shit.
Fog lights are on. Did you turn that off?
By accident, I'll turn it on real quick. Hold on.
God, thank fuck. I hate the way it looks. I really like it.
Man, I love my fog lights. Damn! All right, MTV Cribs. We got the B&B with Mark 7 John. Let's start upstairs to then give you the view. By the way, this Airbnb is kind of nasty. I'm not gonna lie, but there's a little aerial shot here. We got the living room. There's a dead bear hanging over there. I think that's like a wolf or a coyote. Little wood cabin. Come upstairs. Oh, look at this couch. We got this really nice couch. Really productive desk over here. I mean, look at this right here. Look at this painting right here. Look at that.
I know who drew that.
Who drew
Da
it?
Vinci.
Da Vinci. We got our penthouse window right here. I'm not opening that because there's already enough bugs in here.
This is fucking gross.
We got my bedroom. Pink sheets. Very nice. Another window. A polar bear. The owners of this place like dead animals. I will say they really like dead animals. We got Mark 7 John. This is a bear, right? Dude, there's a fucking stink bug in the bear. There's literally a stink bug in the bear.
Dude, these motherfuckers are everywhere.
Oh my god, there's another one right here. Kitchen over yonder. Back here, we got a bathroom, toilet, shower, mirror. This is fantastic.
Dude, we're just both like
We're
recording.
just both vlogging at the same time. Yeah, that's our mansion Airbnb for Wookiees in the Woods.
Yeah, the thumbnail's gonna be like a fucking castle. in the
Oh
woods.
my god, our Wookiees penthouse, our Wookiees mansion is so crazy. And it's this little wooden
It's a
shack.
box.
Anyways,
Oh, and the driveway's fucked, by the way.
oh yeah, I can't even show the driveway.
so
You'll see
dark.
that on the next video, but that's it. That's day 1 wraps. Stay tuned for part 2. We'll see you later.